Hey there, decor lovers. Are you ready to take your Easter decor to the next level? If you thought part one was packed with ideas, wait until you see what we have in store for you today. We've uncovered new, fresh, and stunning outdoor Easter decor ideas that will make your home stand out this season. From unique DIY projects to statement-making decorations, this video is all about bringing that extra wow factor. Stay tuned till the end because you won't want to miss these incredible ideas. Ready? Let's dive in. Easter Balloon Garden. Imagine stepping outside and being greeted by a magical Easter wonderland, where colorful pastel balloons float like giant Easter eggs, creating an enchanting and festive atmosphere. Sounds like a dream? Well, let's turn that dream into reality. Want a show-stopping Easter display that's super affordable, easy to set up, and guaranteed to wow your neighbors and guests? Let's talk about the Easter Balloon Garden, a fun and creative way to bring life to your outdoor space. Step 1. Pick the perfect balloon colors and designs. The right colors and patterns make all the difference. To capture the fresh, festive, and cheerful vibe of Easter, go for soft pastel shades like pink, baby blue, lavender, mint green, and sunshine yellow, Easter-themed prints, balloons with adorable bunny faces, floral patterns, or even speckled egg designs. A mix of sizes to create depth, standard balloons, oversized ones, and mini balloons for balance. Pro tip: use chrome finish pastel balloons for a soft glow in the sunlight. They look extra magical in outdoor settings. Step 2. How to make balloons float without helium. Budget-friendly trick. If you don't want to spend on helium, no worries. Here's a clever way to achieve that floating effect. Use thin, clear fishing line to attach balloons to garden stakes or thin PVC pipes hidden in the grass. Arrange them at different heights to create an illusion of balloons gently floating. For an even more dynamic effect, use stakes with bendable wire tips, so balloons sway slightly in the wind. Bonus idea: wrap the stakes with green floral tape so they blend seamlessly into your lawn or flower beds. Step 3. Adding oversized Easter egg balloons for a playful twist. Want to take it to the next level? Incorporate giant inflatable Easter egg balloons to make your decor look even more festive. Place them randomly throughout your yard or along pathways for a grand visual impact. Use balloon weights or small sandbags to keep them from flying away. If hosting an Easter egg hunt, hide treats inside balloon eggs for a fun surprise. Pro engagement. Tip: ask your guests or kids to vote on their favorite balloon color combo or take selfies in front of your Easter balloon garden. And just like that, your Easter balloon garden is complete. Whether you're hosting an Easter brunch, a family gathering, or just want to impress the whole neighborhood, this easy yet jaw-dropping decor idea is a must-try. Which balloon colors would you choose for your Easter balloon garden? Comment below. I'd love to hear your ideas. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative decor inspiration. Hanging Easter lanterns. Imagine stepping outside as the sun sets and watching your yard transform into a glowing Easter wonderland. Soft, pastel-colored lanterns sway gently in the breeze, casting a warm, magical light all around. Sounds enchanting, right? Well, let's make it a reality. Why it works. This decor idea instantly elevates your outdoor space, making it perfect for an evening Easter gathering or simply adding that extra whimsical charm to your home. How to create your own hanging Easter lantern display. Choose your lanterns. Use paper or glass lanterns in soft pastel shades like lavender, baby pink, sky blue, and mint green. For an Easter touch, go for lanterns shaped like eggs or adorned with bunny prints. DIY personalization, add bunny ears, faux floral trims, or even delicate lace ribbons to give each lantern a handcrafted, elegant feel. Perfect placement: hang them on your porch, tree branches, garden trellises, or along a fence to create a cozy, glowing atmosphere. Eco-friendly option: use solar-powered LED lanterns that automatically light up at dusk, giving you an energy-efficient yet mesmerizing Easter vibe. Twilight enhancement: add twinkling fairy lights in between the lanterns for an extra dreamy sparkle effect. Perfect for that Instagram-worthy outdoor setup. What do you think? Would you add these magical Easter lanterns to your yard? Let me know in the comments. And if you love this idea, don't forget to hit that like button so I know you want more dreamy Easter decor inspiration. Easter-themed water fountain. Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by a beautiful water fountain. Shimmering with soft candlelight, floating pastel eggs, and charming bunny figurines. It's not just a fountain, it's an enchanting Easter centerpiece that will leave your guests in awe. How to create this magical Easter fountain. Floating Easter egg candles for a soft glow. Take large plastic Easter eggs, carefully cut them in half, and place small LED tea lights or floating candles inside. Let them drift across the water, creating a glowing, dreamlike effect at night. Choose pastel-colored eggs to keep the aesthetic soft, elegant, and festive. Mini bunny figurines and floating flowers for a whimsical touch place. Small ceramic or waterproof resin bunny figurines along the fountain's edges or even on floating lily pads. Add real or faux floating flowers like hydrangeas, daisies, or lilies for a charming spring vibe. Wrap fairy lights around the fountain for a sparkling finish. Use battery-operated or solar-powered fairy lights and drape them around the fountain's base or over nearby bushes. At sunset, these lights will add an enchanting sparkle to the water, making your Easter decor stand out even more. Why this idea works. It's visually stunning both day and night. It transforms an ordinary fountain into a magical Easter centerpiece. It's budget-friendly and easy to set up. You can customize it to match your style. Would you love to see more DIY Easter fountain ideas? Drop a comment below, and I'll share even more creative ways to decorate your outdoor space. Easter-themed outdoor photo booth. Hosting guests this Easter? Set up an Easter photo booth right in your yard and photo booth picture-perfect setup that makes them say, "Wow, I need a photo here." A well-designed Easter photo booth isn't just decoration, it's an experience. Whether you're hosting an Easter brunch, a family gathering, or just want to create share-worthy moments, this setup will be the highlight of your outdoor decor. Here's how to make it unforgettable. Backdrop magic. Set up a large wooden frame or a white picket fence wrapped in pastel-colored fabric. Add a balloon arch in soft Easter hues. Think baby pink, lavender, mint green, and sky blue. To make it extra festive, drape fairy lights across the top for a magical evening glow. Oversized props. Place life-sized bunny cutouts, giant Easter eggs, and a fluffy faux grass carpet to create an immersive scene. You can even add a pastel-colored wooden bench with cute bunny pillows for a cozy touch. Interactive elements. Want to take it up a notch? Add a basket of fun photo props, bunny ear headbands, oversized Easter glasses, and cute, hoppy Easter signs. These little details encourage guests to interact with the space and snap even more pictures. The ultimate Instagram-worthy sign. Elevate the setup with a stylish sign that says, "Hop on over for an egg-cellent photo," or "Easter memories in the making." Written in playful fonts, it will naturally draw people in and make your booth stand out. Bonus touch, a floral swing. If you have the space, a hanging floral swing draped in pastel flowers and twinkling lights will be an absolute showstopper. This one feature alone can turn your Easter photo booth into a social media sensation. Pro tip, if you're planning an Easter gathering, set up a hashtag sign like #EasterVibes2025 to encourage guests to share their pictures online. Turn your backyard into an Easter tea party extravaganza. Elegant table setting. Use a pastel-colored tablecloth as the base. Think soft pink, lavender, or mint green. Layer with lace or floral runners for a vintage touch. For an extra festive feel, use bunny-shaped napkin folds at each seat. Easter centerpiece magic. The table centerpiece is the heart of the decor. Create a stunning floral Easter basket centerpiece filled with fresh spring flowers like tulips, daisies, and baby's breath. Add painted Easter eggs, bunny figurines, and a touch of greenery to bring everything together. Whimsical drink station. Elevate the experience with a beautifully arranged tea and dessert station. Display glass teapots with pastel-colored herbal teas, bunny-shaped cookies, mini cupcakes with Easter toppers, and chocolate eggs in decorative bowls. Hang a cute bunny cafe sign to give it a playful, Instagram-worthy touch. Seating with a cozy vibe. Arrange chairs with pastel cushions and throw blankets for a cozy, inviting feel. Want to make it extra special? Use small Easter baskets as place card holders with each guest's name written on a mini egg. This adds a personal and memorable touch. Fairy lights and hanging decorations. As the sun sets, let your tea party glow with twinkling fairy lights draped around trees, pergolas, or patio umbrellas. Hang pastel lanterns and paper bunnies from branches to add an enchanting overhead display. Hosting an Easter gathering this year? Which of these tea party ideas would you try? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And there you have it. 5 new outdoor Easter decor ideas that will make your home a true holiday masterpiece. Which one was your favorite? Drop your answer in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our weekly decor inspirations. Until next time, happy decorating and have a happy Easter.